Okay, now as the today's topic is natural resources. This is chapter number
Five.
5. Okay, we are going to read about the natural resources. So, what do you mean by this natural resources? If we take the simple meaning of this natural, what is meant by natural? The things which are occurring naturally. That means what we can say now, the gifted by God. So this is the natural thing. But what does it mean by resources? The things what is present in our biosphere is known as resources. Resources, it can be living, it can be non-living. But let's see the everything. Just over here we are going to read everything about the natural resources. So first, if we see the earth, in which planet we are living? Earth, Venus, Mars, Mercury.
Sir, Earth.
Earth. Lucky. In which planet we are living? I think Lucky got left out. Lucky, please give the answer if you are hearing.
Yes, sir.
In which planet we are living? So here we can write the natural resources. It can be living, it can be non-living. Now, what is this living natural resources? What is this non-living resources? Now, if we talk about the living resources, we will get the answer. The living resources will come out, the two answer will come. That is one, plant, second one, animal, third one we can say the microorganism. Okay, now we can include ourselves also. Can you see this one? I think it's not visible, huh? From this side it is visible. Huh. Plant, first plant. If plant will not be present in our earth, we can imagine without plant life will not be exist of anything. From plant what we are getting? We are getting the oxygen, na? We are getting oxygen as well as we are getting the food also. Two things we are getting from the plant. Now come to the animal. Now we are the animal, the biggest animal. So without us, without the human being, so life is not possible in the earth. So everything is balanced. Third thing, microorganism. If microorganisms will not be present, so decomposition, all these things, what we call bacteria are present, fungus are present, so they will not decompose. So every dead material, whatsoever dying, either it is leaf, either it is human being, so nothing will be decomposed in the soil. So there will be problem to this thing. Now, the natural resources in the case of the non-living. Anybody wants to give the answer? What are the non-living natural resources?
Sir, air.
Very good. Now here comes the answer, that is the air. Here we are having the water. The other?
Sunlight.
Air, water, land we can say, or we can say the soil. Okay. Sunlight. So these all are the non-living natural resources that we are having in the, that means in our earth. So have you all understand these things? What are the natural, that means living natural resources and non-living natural resources? So just about these things only we are going to read. Natural resources, plant, animal, microorganism, air, water, soil and sunlight. About these things only we are going to read in this chapter. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.